Hi everyone, my name is Loecky. I'm from STEM 3 and today I'm gonna explain about management of innovation, technology and entrepreneurship with the case of Google and GOTO, and I'm gonna give the title of this presentation about technology for sustainability, where I'm gonna compare Google and GOTO, how they do their innovation and use of technology and also entrepreneurship and related with the sustainability for that they do right now. Okay, let's move uh, on the introduction of the Google. So Google itself has a mission to organize words in information and make it universally accessible and useful. And they have a business segments. They have two primarily. Uh, First is on the Google service, and the second one is on the Google Cloud. On the Google service, I think all of us are familiar with the Google service because we use it every day. We even change search in the internet with the term Googling, which make it which actually make Google as our top of mind in terms of the internet service. And it's not just the search, but also like other application and also product like YouTube, Google Maps, Android, Google Play, and Chrome. And we use it every day, I think, right now, and it's being used worldwide with billions of users using it every day for communication, entertainment, and everyday tasks. So basically, it seems like we cannot live without Google. And the second one is on the Google Cloud. So they provide a cloud-based service. Um, eh, this is like the Google Cloud platform. Like for me, I use Google One, and another one is the Google Workspace. It's basically like the one that Microsoft has for Word, PowerPoint, and etc. But for Google, it's they use a different name. Like Excel is they have spreadsheet. Word, I think it's the same with the Word, and PowerPoint is slides. But basically, the functionality is the same with the one that Microsoft had. And then, yeah, just like what I mentioned, this is the Google product. You see Google Search, Google Cloud, YouTube, Android, Chrome, and the workspace like the Gmail, Calendar, Google Drive, or even Google Meet. And then the second one, we go with the Indonesian company, GOTO. Previously, it's Gojek before it merged with Tokopedia. But because of they merged with Tokopedia, now the name is GOTO. And the mission is to empower progress by facilitating access to digital service that improve everyday life for consumers, merchants, and driver partners. So it's almost the same like Google, uh, but it's more on the local level or Indonesian level. And this both of company heavily use, or yeah, basically they are a tech company, and that's why I think I find it interesting to present about both company on the tech ecosystem. And for the Goto, they have three segments for their business. Is the first one is on-demand service. This is led by Gojek as a ride hailing. It's Go Ride and Go Car, and they also have GoFood for the food delivery, and package delivery is GoSend. And in the beginning, they have a lot of feature, not just food delivery, but also like personal care, like Go Massage and such thing. But right now, I think they try to make simplify it, and some of those service went bankrupt. Um, and this service is have revolutionized urban transportation and logistics in Indonesia and even Southeast Asia, offering fast and reliable solutions for every day needs. The second one is e-commerce. Tokopedia, just like what I mentioned earlier, is about when Gojek and Tokopedia merge. So Tokopedia is already exists at the same like Gojek, and now they merge, and it's one of the leading marketplace and also the backbone of GOTO e-commerce platform. And then the third one is financial technology. So on this one, they basically have the financial product like GoPay and or even another and on the GoPay they have several financial products like loans, insurance, and investment tools. And I think on this one they also partnering with bank. Yeah, just like what I mentioned, this is the GoTo's product on the Tokopedia, Gojek, including the GoCar inside of it, and also GoPay for the financial platform or service. And I'm gonna explain about four topics on their innovation. The first one is regarding their business model innovation. For Google, the business model innovation involved offering free service like search, Gmail, and YouTube, which become essential to daily life. And once users were dependent, Google start to monetizing it through advertising. And this strategy created a strong demand and enabled Google growth. And service like Google Cloud and YouTube Premium also added paid options. I think when I was in high school, I think all of the Google product is free of charge, like YouTube and everything. But right now, like for Gmail, there are the free version, but if you reach certain storage level, you need to upgrade it so that you can keep using it without removing or deleting some of the email or files that you save in your storage, basically. And I think this is pretty smart, and I think they are one of the leading innovator on this one to provide free service at the beginning and create dependency by the people to the Google's product, and then after that they start to monetizing it. GoTo also in the beginning they are heavily offering heavy discount, or this is the phase where they burning the money to attract users and build a loyal base for ride hailing and delivery service. And I think at that time when GoTo or Gojek offering a lot of big discounts, is also try to ensure that they get big or dominating the market segments in Indonesia, because they need to compete with Grab or Uber, another two big ride hailing tech company. But right now, because Uber already out from Indonesia, the big player is GoTo and Grab. And I think GoTo try to make a statement that this is product made by Indonesian people, and that's what they are trying to get or to attract their customer to be proud of the local product, local tech product for them. And yeah, over time they are once they are become essential in their daily life, then GoTo start to seek for profitability by reducing discounts and monetizing through transaction fees, commission, and premium service. I think right now they not just GoTo but also Grab. They also providing kind of subscription um, to over discounts when we subscribe for the service. Um, and I think it's another innovation that they they tested um, to adjust with and I think to adjust and also to ensure they are trying everything to ensure that they get enough profitability because GoTo already listed in the market. So I think that they need to ensure that the shareholders also get enough dividend from them. And then the second one is regarding technological innovation for business sustainability. Um, for Google, um, the technological innovation support both growth and sustainability. And I think that's why this is very interesting for the tech company because right now it's getting more popular using technology for sustainability. I think to give some context, like on the sustainability space or climate space, if you heard about carbon credit, now um, the carbon credit, some of the innovator in the climate space try to infuse the technology to ensure that the credibility of the carbon credit for nature-based solutions by using the GIS system basically. So they can give real-time data about the forest that produce the carbon credit basically. So something like that. As for the Google, the company aims to reduce its carbon footprint by using recycled material in their product and also ensuring the carbon neutral shipping. Google also leverage AI to address climate change like extreme heat, and this effort also strengthen its competitive position and appeal to eco-conscious consumer. So because of the trend of the sustainability, so they are shifting the innovation to position themselves um, to meet with the demand of the new type of consumers to ensure also the business sustainability for the Google. And this is also the same thing, the same case that happens for Gojek because Gojek uh, focuses on the sustainability with GOTO focuses on sustainability with 3 zeros by 2030, zero emission, zero waste, and zero barrier. And the technological innovation for business sustainability, again, to ensure the sustainability of the business, they are trying to also adapt with the current climate issue on the climate crisis. So that's why they start to investing on the electric vehicles for the driver, for the go ride, and also for the go car. I think for the go car, it's only for some segment is very niche. I think because most of the car is still using fossil fuel based vehicle. They also start to effort to reduce the packaging of the waste and offering sustainable service, all while still aligning with the profitability with the environmental goals to ensure that they achieve the sustainability. So by adopting their business practice to the current environmental issue or climate issue, they also try to ensure the business sustainability for the company, basically, by integrating the use of the technology. And I think for the Google, with a lot of data that they gain or they get every day, it's also they are trying to use that data to ensure. Like I think right now, when you use Gojek app, you have options to not asking the cutlery of when you order GoFood, because if you use cutlery but then you eat it in your home, then you don't need the cutlery, right? Because you already have fork and also spoon in your home. So it's just create another way. So I think this is also a good thing. They also have the offset the carbon from the options for the ride or the go-kart, and this is why they try to integrate the sustainability with the technological innovation. So it's more on um, innovation of the technology in the sustainability, basically. Um, the third one is on the product and service innovation. For Google, um, the model is combining the incremental and radical approach using AI and also cloud infrastructure to enhance product like the search and also the maps. So the lean innovation that they use or implemented with a focus on user feedback ensure continuous refinement on this one. And on the disruptive innovation, like Android and Chrome have expanded Google reach, while service improvements such as targeted ads will drive growth for Google. And I think for the product and service innovation, um, we will try to also compete with the ChatGPT. They have their own product called Gemini, and I think that this is one of the innovation that they try to integrate, because people already use Google. They cannot uh, seems like they cannot live without Google, and then they also try to provide the service that commonly used right now with the advancement of the technology of the use in this era, basically. And then for the GOTO, so they integrate the e-commerce and ride hailing, food delivery, and digital payments into one seamless platform to drive innovation in Southeast Asia. And they, in this one, they are integrating GoPay to enhance financial inclusion and user experience. And incremental innovation focus on operational efficiency, bundled service, and loyalty uh, to ensure that they have a strong customer engagement and for their product and service. The one that I mentioned earlier regarding the subscription, they also try to replicate the same thing that Grab did for GoTo to provide a subscription to give a bundle of uh, basically the advantage for the user. If they are subscribed to the service, they will get more discount, for example. And the last one is on the impact of technological innovation on competitiveness. For Google, so from free service like search and Gmail to AI and cloud advancement, it it makes Google as a global tech leader. I think everyone, if you are working in a tech space, Google is the mecca of the tech industry. And by gathering user data, monetizing through ads, Google fosters loyalty and growth. And because it's an AI driven solution and hardware like Pixel, it ensures long-term competitiveness and market dominance. So it gives Google an edge uh, through their competitors, so that by keep innovating, Google will still be on the user top of mind regarding tech industry, basically in the worldwide. For GoTo, so because of GoTo already, I think this is also regarding competitiveness. I think it's about the top of mind of the user, and Right now, for every, I think the user, even they use Grab, um, Gojek is the top of mind because Gojek now replace the word ojek in daily language, reflecting the cultural impact and also uh, ensure the competitiveness of the Google by using or by transforming object to the into an app, and it's like the impact of the technological innovation that makes GoTo competitive in the market. And even Grab, like I think it's still like people use the term Gojek when they call about Ojek service. The same like when we drink water, people tends to say aqua, for example. And evolving GoTo itself, evolving into a super app where Gojek integrates ride-hailing, food delivery, and digital payment into one app. And with this innovation on logistic and e-commerce, GoTo efficiently maintaining the regional dominance to ensure that GoTo is still become the top of mind of the user.